Alright, I got the frame flipped over, so I got the top side up now so I can finish the welding there. Now before I add in any floor supports into here, this section, I'm going to try to straighten this front end. It's hard to see, but if you take a straight edge here and hold it down tight here, you'll see the gap there. So it kind of bows down, and that happened when I notched this to put the tongue in. So one of the tricks I've learned over the years is to use oxygen acetylene torch to where you can heat and start pulling the metal. I don't have an oxygen acetylene torch, but what I do have is a welder. So one of the tricks I learned years ago is, like, this is bowed, you know, it's got an arch in it. So to cause that to pull it back out, what I could do is right down the center of this beam here is start laying a bead. Alright, start welding the bead, and with that heat, that should cause it to pull in the opposite direction. And then once I do that and get it straight, or as straight as I can, then what I can do is just take a grinder, grind that bead off, and you'll never know it was there. So I'm going to give that a shot and see what happens. Alright, so I did that weld. I welded all the way along here. I've ground it off now. I did do a relief cut right here, and I welded that up. But if you see now, I could take this straight edge. Sorry, video is not the greatest. I'm not the best with the camera, but if you look here, no more, it's just a smooth transition. So I pulled that bow that was in there right out. So now I got a nice level surface again. Even though I messed up and created the bow, I was able to fix it, which is nice, because now when I build my sidewalls, they have a level surface to attach to. So far, going good. So now I can start welding in cross members here. So I'm going to get at that, I'll catch up with you as soon as I'm done with that.